My name is Bernhard Kopperud. I've been playing for about 13 years. I play in a band called Red Steel, and we've been playing together for about 3-4 years now. I also do some independent work, and I also work as a drum technician for a few bands, or for a few drummers that I know personally. I play the Collision Drumsticks at the size 5B. I like those sticks very much because the durability on the sticks is it's over the top quality. When I play a lot of rim shots on the snare, I have all my cymbals like this. So you hit the sticks on the edge of the cymbal. After a rehearsal, three-hour rehearsal, I can do about 2-3 rehearsals without the sticks getting broken, and I've tried a lot of other brands and other sticks. You can just with everyone after one rehearsal. But the Collision is it's the best. I have no words to describe it, but because it's over the top. That's all I can say. It's so awesome. This feels so good to play with, and I love the Collision brand because they reached out to me for, I don't know, a few years back, where I actually got a pair or some pairs from my friend who actually had something from you guys, and that was the 5B sticks. So I started playing Collision, and I was surprised by the quality. I was just an underground stick brand, probably bad quality, but why not try it out? So I wrote to you guys on Instagram actually that I've tried your sticks and I like them very much. But that was a few years ago, so I started using the Tama sticks that Tama make. I think they're probably the same ones as Vic Firth makes, But I thought to myself, why not reach out to Collision again? Because they might be interested in working with me, and I'm interested in working with them. So why not reach out? And so I did, and so I'm here to introducing myself to all you guys. The also thing that I love about the Collision brand is, or the Collision team actually, they are so welcoming. They make drumsticks for the drummer, not just to make money, or they make the drumsticks to actually last longer than most quality of the rest of the sticks. And I'd be happy to try out even more different pairs and sizes, the 5B Reach or the 2Bs. I'll be happy to try them out, but I think I'll still be falling back in the classic 5Bs because they're just so awesome. The Collision is their own family. It's just so awesome to be a part of it, and just getting to play with Collision and not worrying about having to buy new drumsticks every single month, because I'm a hard-hitting drummer and most of the sticks I've tried out couldn't hold me. And actually the sticks that could get through rehearsals you know, 3-4 hours long rehearsals before they, it was Vic Firth, but they the sticks they made they don't produce them anymore. So here I am at Collision. I'm so happy to be here. I cannot wait to actually getting endorsed by you guys and, you know, be a part of the Collision family. I'm about to play a drum cover of or it's an isolated drums from my band's song called Refine My Fear, from the band Red Steel, my band. Yeah, here you go, guys. And by the way, it's with the Collision Drumsticks over the top.